Here is a beginner-level human resource manager quiz that covers recruitment and talent acquisition, employee onboarding and orientation, and performance management. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of recruitment in HR? A. Hiring the right talent to meet company needs. B. Filling vacancies as quickly as possible without screening. C. Avoiding new hires to reduce costs. And D. Selecting employees without an interview. Answer: hiring the right talent to meet company needs. Question 2. Which of the following is an important step in the recruitment process? A. Avoiding job descriptions. B. Hiring employees without checking qualifications. C. Defining job roles and responsibilities. And D. Offering the job before an interview. Answer: defining job roles and responsibilities. Question 3. What is the primary purpose of a job description? A. To limit employee growth. B. To outline duties, responsibilities, and qualifications. C. To make recruitment difficult. And D. To restrict promotions. Answer: to outline duties, responsibilities, and qualifications. Question 4. Which of the following is a common recruitment method? A. Random selection of candidates. B. Avoiding external hiring. C. Hiring without verifying skills. And D. Posting job listings on online job portals. Answer: posting job listings on online job portals. Question 5. Why is candidate screening important in the hiring process? A. To ensure candidates meet the job requirements. B. To hire as quickly as possible without verification. C. To eliminate diversity in hiring. And D. To avoid checking candidate experience. Answer: to ensure candidates meet the job requirements. Question 6. What is the main objective of an employee onboarding program? A. To keep new employees uninformed. B. To overwhelm new hires with information. C. To delay access to company tools. And D. To help new employees adjust and succeed in the organization. Answer: to help new employees adjust and succeed in the organization. Question 7. Which activity is typically included in employee onboarding? A. Delaying system access. B. Ignoring new employees after hiring. C. Providing company policies and training. And D. Avoiding welcome meetings. Answer: providing company policies and training. Question 8. Why is employee orientation important? A. It discourages interaction with other employees. B. It helps employees understand the company culture and expectations. C. It delays new hire productivity. And D. It increases turnover rates. Answer: it helps employees understand the company culture and expectations. Question 9. What should an HR manager do to ensure smooth onboarding? A. Provide clear guidelines and support. B. Ignore employee concerns. C. Avoid follow-ups. And D. Delay providing necessary resources. Answer: provide clear guidelines and support. Question 10. What is one benefit of a structured onboarding process? A. Lack of job training. B. Higher turnover rates. C. Confusing job expectations. And D. Increased employee retention and engagement. Answer: increased employee retention and engagement. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the purpose of performance management in HR? A. To punish employees. B. To assess and improve employee performance. C. To reduce productivity. And D. To ignore employee achievements. Answer: to assess and improve employee performance. Question 12. Which tool is commonly used for performance evaluation? A. Avoiding feedback sessions. B. Ignoring employee progress. C. Key performance indicators, KPIs. And D. Randomly rating employees. Answer: key performance indicators, KPIs. Question 13. What is the purpose of conducting performance appraisals? A. To provide constructive feedback and development plans. B. To discourage employee efforts. C. To demotivate staff. And D. To reduce job responsibilities. Answer: to provide constructive feedback and development plans. Question 14. Which of the following is a key component of an effective performance management system? A. Ignoring employee development. B. Regular feedback and goal setting. C. Avoiding communication about performance. And D. Keeping performance data confidential. Answer: regular feedback and goal setting. Question 15. How can HR managers improve employee performance? A. Limiting career growth. B. Avoiding skill enhancement opportunities. C. Offering training and development programs. And D. Ignoring performance feedback. Answer: offering training and development programs. Question 16. What is the benefit of setting SMART goals in performance management? A. Ignores employee progress. B. Creates unrealistic expectations. C. Limits job growth. And D. Provides clear, measurable objectives for employees. Answer: provides clear, measurable objectives for employees. Question 17. What should a manager do when an employee is underperforming? A. Provide coaching and development support. B. Ignore the issue. C. Dismiss the employee immediately. And D. Avoid discussing performance issues. Answer: provide coaching and development support. Question 18. Which of the following improves employee engagement? A. Ignoring employee contributions. B. Recognizing and rewarding achievements. C. Avoiding team collaboration. And D. Setting unclear goals. Answer: recognizing and rewarding achievements. Question 19. What is an important aspect of maintaining high employee morale? A. Avoiding employee concerns. B. B. Limiting job development. C. Open communication and career growth opportunities. And D. Delaying salary increments. Answer: open communication and career growth opportunities. Question 20. How can HR managers ensure a fair performance review process? A. Avoiding goal setting. B. Providing biased feedback. C. Rating employees randomly. And D. Using standardized evaluation criteria. Answer: using standardized evaluation criteria. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.